Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Williams and I will be your professor for this semester for Intro Psych. Just wanted to say welcome to the class, and if you have any questions this week especially, please feel free to reach out to me. My email is swilliams@westfield.ma.edu. So you can check in with me. Feel free to ask away questions about the syllabus or books or the class or whatever. But I just wanted to touch base with all of you. Hopefully you're going to get situated on Play-Doh and figuring out where everything's at. Take a look at the resources and everything that I posted there for you. I hope that you find it helpful. I hope that it's not inundating, but more so informative. Some of the stuff that's there you might not need right away, but you might come back to as you're working throughout this first week, getting acquainted with the class. So again, please feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Otherwise, I look forward to a really great semester of getting to know all of you. Thank you guys.